Every search in SV Search returns a customized visualization of that query's results, organized by article count or overall sentiment. The count chart shows the article volume defined by the search query in relation to the time period and the languages selected. A visual presentation of the search results makes it easy to clearly identify trends, peaks, and patterns in published articles, an essential feature to tracking changes over time. Semantic Visions' sentiment analysis is one of the most advanced systems in the world. It uses proprietary algorithms to understand the connotations of language constructs and then computes both positive and negative scores for each document. These scores are aggregated across documents and rendered into the sentiment chart, which shows the volume of negative and positive sentiment aggregated from the returned articles. To gauge the overall sentiment of individual articles, look at the Article Sentiment Indicator. For example, this article is neutral. This one is only negative. This one only positive. And this one contains both positive and negative sentiment. Going back to the charts, users can zoom in or download the information for offline use. Data can be downloaded in CSV format and the charts as PNG images. Users might want to investigate certain spikes in the chart or patterns in behavior. To do this, narrow down the search results to a specific time period by selecting the chart bars. To select a continuous period, click the bar with the earliest period, hold down the Shift key, then click the latest bar. To set a discontinuous search period, click one bar, hold down Control or Command, and then click all the bars that apply. To deselect the filtered period, click the bar a second time or use the search query date picker cross icon to remove the selection. For more videos and tutorials, visit our YouTube page or our homepage at semantic-visions.com.